Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. Today I'm gonna present you these heated gloves, brand Savior. We're gonna open the box and look, the package is very clean. You can see all what it's inside, and I'm gonna take out the first piece. These are the two gloves, and this is a little bag that comes with the package. Very beautiful. I like it a lot. And this is the little charger where you're gonna connect your batteries to heat your glove. In a moment, I'm going to show you how you can do this. It comes with two ports, one for each battery, so you can charge them at the same time. And these are the two batteries. They come at the last. And now we have here the manual instructions. The manual instructions, it's a little book. They're very simple to follow, very easy for the customer, and I like it a lot. I need to say you can download an app so you can connect it by Bluetooth. So we're gonna open this package. It's coming in a sealed bag. We're gonna open it, take it out. This is the guaranteed card, and these are the two gloves. I need to say they're very pretty. I like them a lot. I like the color black, and this has a very awesome style. Now we're gonna test them, but look first. The texture, it's very good quality. I like it a lot, the quality. It's very nice. And this is the little bag where you can put your battery. Inside it has this port so you can connect it to heat the glove. It comes with protected, very well protected, I need to say. I like that. And we're gonna put it back again inside the little bag. We're gonna seal it. So now I'm gonna show you how you can charge it. It's very easy. You just connect your port charger to the battery. It's very easy as this, not a big trouble. So now we look inside the glove. It comes like this. They're like two gloves in one. Inside this glove, it feels like it's another one for each finger. It has a space for all your hand. It's very comfortable, I need to say. That's something that amazed me. And yeah, the folding, it's very cleanly. You don't struggle with any movement. I like it a lot, this glove, I need to say. And now we're gonna charge our little battery. Once it's charged, we can connect it directly to the glove. And we have to keep it inside this little bag, so you don't need to have it in the outside, okay? We're gonna seal it very well. And now we're gonna turn it on. You just need to press this button, and it's gonna be in 3 levels exactly. The red one, it's the max level, and the green light, it's the minimum level, okay? So instantly you feel all the heat around your hand. It feels all over the glove. Very good distribute the heat. I like a lot that. And to turn it off, you just need to press this button for a few moments and it's gonna be off. So I really recommend this product. I liked a lot these gloves. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this review. See you the next time.